Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 3-05, the boiler bush type A for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 3-05, boiler brush type A for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So open up MNGS. Okay, so open up right plane, sketch. It's going to be one circle. It's going to be 16 mil. It's going to be feature extrude. That's going to be 9.5. Done. And that looks terrible color. Done. There we go. Okay, so now this, either end, but this end looks good. Sketch, circle. Make sure it's the center point. Probably not quite that big, but that's fine. That's going to be 19. And that's going to be feature extrude 6.5. 6.5. Oh, 6.5, yeah. I suppose 9.5, yeah, it's not much difference. Done. Beautiful. Let's just do a slight fill on this. Don't even want 10 mil. 1 mil may be too big. No, actually 1 mil is perfect. Okay, so that one's done. That's not finished. That section's done. So we want sketch, circle. That's going to be 12 mil. 12. This could have done either end, so, but it's going to be all the way through. So it's going to be extrude cut, through all, and okay. That's that area done. Now we want to do a, where is it? Oh, there is a thread. It's going to be M12 thread. Got that we want M12. M12 1.5. So we want that point up to that point, and always always do the wrong way. Whoa, what the heck happened there? Okay, that went definitely weird. Let's open that back up. I don't know why it's done that. Does it make any difference? Nope. It does not like that, does it? Wow. You know what? That's kind of definitely weird. So let me just delete that one. Yep. Let me just leave them there. Got to be a thread, but we'll work that out later. Let's go and work out threads again. So that is that piece done. That's part 3-05, boiler bush type -A for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Thank you for coming along. You enjoyed that. We got some good tips out or whatever. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.